Hey there guys, it's Chris here, and today I decided to share with you some of my thoughts about this BASEUS Wireless Charger. To the three different categories, which are the quality you get for the price, the charging options, and for me really important, the design. First thing, the quality you get for the price is just awesome. I mean, look at this thing. It is just wonderful, and it costs just $15 compared to brands like a Samsung or Belkin, which would cost you at least $50. The second thing are charging options, and you can actually charge it two ways. The fast way, when you plug it into the 9-volt input, or the standard way when you plug into the 5-volt input. And I didn't find this feature on many of these cheap wireless chargers. So that's why the BASEUS is a go-to for me. And the third thing is the design. Me personally, I prefer matte finish when it comes to plastic, so I get what I wanted. And if you're looking for a matte finish, then this charger can be go-to for you as well. So I hope I helped you to make your own decision whether you would go for this BASEUS wireless charger or not. And yeah, I hope you'll have a nice day.